I need you to raise your right hand, please. Ms. Walker, do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you, ma'am. You can put your hand down. All right, let's check some service on this case. The court's going to find that someone by the name of Shanika Dixon was personally served with citation in this case in Montgomery County, Texas, on February the 6th of 2024. That citation was returned on file with the district clerk's office in Tyler County on February the 14th. A review of my file indicates that this person has not filed an answer nor otherwise made an appearance in this case. Ms. Walker, the person that was served with citation in this case is someone who is listed in the citation as Shamika Dixon. Now, the person that I need to be served in this case is somebody by the name of Shamika Smith. As far as you know, under oath, Ms. Walker, is Shamika Smith the same person as Shamika Dixon?
Yes, she is.
All right. Why do you think her last name is different now?
She has remarried.
Okay. So you believe that Shamika Dixon is the same person as Shamika Smith?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. That's sufficient for me. All right. The court's going to find that Miss Smith was sent notice of this hearing on this case. The notice contained all the information that was needed for her to participate and be here. She's not here. In this case, is eligible for default. Do you have any other witnesses, Mr. McNulty, besides Ms. Walker?
No other witnesses, Your Honor.
All right. Call your witness, sir.
At this time, the state will call Ms. Walker. Ms. Walker, please state your full name for the court.
Carolyn Brianne Walker.
And do you have any safety concerns about your address or contact information being disclosed in any order that is entered today?
No, sir.
Okay. And what are the names and dates of birth of your two children who are before the court today?
I only have one child. Her
I'm
name is Amari Cherie Smith, March 7th, 2014.
And were you previously ordered to pay Ms. Dixon child support? And this is an order that was entered on December 7th of 2015. Were you previously ordered to pay $219 a month in child support?
Yes, sir, I was.
And were you also ordered to pay $25 a month in cash medical support?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would like to enter into evidence as State's Exhibit A, the payment record in this case.
Ms. Walker, I've just placed on the screen a copy of the pay record between you and Ms. Smith. Is it okay if I look at this pay record?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit A is admitted into evidence.
Ms. Walker, do you understand that as of March 31st of 2024, you have a child support arrearage balance of $5,990.40?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand that you have a as of March 31st of 2024, you have a medical support arrearage balance of $1,660.02?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently working?
No, sir, I am on Social Security disability.
And what kind what kind of disability is this for?
A traumatic brain injury and seizure disorder.
And when did you suffer this injury?
I suffered the injury on October 1st, 2020.
And how much do you receive each month in you said it was SSDI, Social Security Disability Income?
Yes, sir. The gross amount is $881. I have to pay $174 to Medicare and $353 to child support.
So it's gross is $881, but you said how much do you have to pay to Medicare?
$174 to my own Medicare.
Okay. And do you have any other minor biological children who are below the age of 18?
I have no other children.
And is that Social Security income the only income that you're receiving, or do you receive any other income?
That's the only income I receive, with inability to gain more income.
All right. I have no further questions. I pass the witness.
So, Ms. Walker, this disability that you're receiving, I'm going to ask you a clarification question. is this disability or is this SSI?
Disability.
Okay, so if it was disability, wouldn't Amari be qualified to get disability through you as well?
When they applied for me, they didn't document Amari on there, so I took up all the family income as well. Shamika tried to apply Amari for her own benefits, and they said there was not enough left.
Okay, so do you get additional income? Do you get additional Social Security because of your family benefits?
No, sir, that I take the full amount in my disability.
But you don't have to pay taxes on your disability.
I'm not sure. I got a 1099 for them, so
Okay. So, Mr. McNulty, what's the state asking for here?
The state is asking to modify Miss Walker's child support to be based on the disability income that she has. That would be a reduction in her support under the guidelines because she testified to making about $707 a month in income. And so that would be a reduction from what she was previously ordered to pay based on what she's currently making.
Okay, so you want me to set the child support based on the 700 a month?
Yes, Your Honor. I do have one additional question to ask Ms. Walker.
yes, sir.
Ms. Walker, as far as you know, has the health insurance coverage of your child changed since the previous order?
I'm not aware.
Thank you. No further questions.
And how much are they taking from you? How much are they taking from you a month right now, Ms. Walker? You said it was 300 and something?
Right now it's 353, and I believe it's because of all the back pay that
Some
has
of it.
built up over the time I was hospitalized.
Yeah, some of it for sure.
Is there a possibility in reducing the back pay for since have been disabled since October of 2020?
No, ma'am. I can't touch the arrears on the case. What you owe is what you owe. All I can do is adjust what you have to pay toward.
Sorry.
That's okay. It was a good question. There's nothing wrong with the question. I just, by law, I'm not allowed to adjust what you owe. But I can adjust what you pay. And I'm going to
Yes, sir.
Anything further from the state?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Walker, is there anything else that you think I need to know about this case before I make a ruling?
No, sir, not that I could think of.
All right, I'm going to find that there has been a material and substantial change of circumstance in this case. I'm going to find that I have jurisdiction. I'm going to take judicial notice of my own file, which will contain the controlling support order, and find that there has been a material and substantial change of circumstance since the last court order. Ms. Walker is now receiving disability benefits through the federal government. If that is her only source of income, then she is entitled to a downward modification of her child support. Child support from this point is going to be $140 per month, plus $10 a month in cash medical. Those payments will begin May the 1st of 2024. I will confirm the arrears and find that as of March 31st of 2024, Ms. Walker is behind in child support the amount of $5,990.40, plus $1,660.02 in medical support. The child support is going to be paid back at a rate of $40 a month, and the medical support is going to be paid back at a rate of $20 a month. Both those payments will also begin May the 1st of 2024. Court costs will be due by Ms. Walker, but I will give her until October 31st of 2024 to pay my court cost. Mr. McNulty, does that handle all the issues that are filed in this pleading before me today?
Yes, it does, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions, Mr. McNulty, about the terms?
No questions, Your Honor.
Ms. Walker, Mr. McNulty's office is going to send me a proposed order. As long as it matches what I said here today, I'm going to sign it, get it back to them. Then they're going to send a copy of it to you and to Ms. Dixon, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
You're
May
welcome.
I please ask how much are the court costs?
Probably anywhere between 100 and 200 bucks, Ms. Walker, but I did give you until the end of October to pay them, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you for that.
Yeah, when you get the copy of the order that's signed by me, It won't say how much the court costs are, but it will give you the contact information for the Tyler County District Clerk's Office. And you can contact them to find out how much the court costs are, okay?
Thank you.
Your total payment, you said before, was currently $353 a month.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, it's gonna be $210 from now on. So,
Thank you.
okay, so once you get those arrears knocked off, it'll lower that down pretty substantial amount too, okay?